I opened up the master power window switch. Window switch on front drivers and front passenger was having problems. The plastic button design was wearing out. The worn-out plastic button design was unable to touch the metal piece. This front passenger window button design is worn out. This is how it functions. The plastic button makes the metal piece move to create a circuit so the windows can go up and down. I took off the button springs. I stretched out the spring to make it longer like this. Now it works. This is how the driver's side button looked like worn out. Putting back together the power window master switch. The buttons are a bit hard to take off without the proper tools. A piece broke off here. I bought this power window master switch on Amazon for $20. The plastic button gets worn out too easily. If you are handy with your hands, you can fix it and make the plastic button better. I decided to look for a used original power window master switch. The power window master switch are worth $120 plus. The 2005 Ford Explorer Power Window Master Switch and 2002 Ford F-250 Super Duty Power Window Master Switch is the same. The cheap master switch on the right did not last long. I tested the used Power Window Master Switch. I took off the original used power window master switch and stored it for later use.